In this section, I'm going to walk you through different integration that we can do with various tools. For example, we can integrate in n8n with a database, such as Supabase. Supabase is a database that is designed to simplify how we use AWS PostgreSQL. It's a wrapper around that, and it allows us to store any data efficiently. If you are familiar with AWS Cloud, it's an enterprise level cloud solution that comes with really good services, but it's also very complex and can become also expensive. Supabase is designed to be a wrapper around AWS PostgreSQL, and it provides a really good graphic UI that we don't have that on AWS Cloud. So we can really work more efficiently at a lower cost with AWS Cloud. If you want to create your account, you come to supabase.com, and then once you create your account, you go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you create your organization. I created a free plan organization here to work with Supabase. You can do that for your testing purposes. And as you grow and scale your workflow, you can go on a paid approach. And then in the databases, as you can see that we have AWS, which is located on App South East 2, which is Sydney, Australia, where I'm located. And if you go there, you can see the table editors, tables here, and you can see the SQL editor, where you can add any SQL command. And in the project setting, you can go see the configuration for the database. If you click on the data API, you can see the URL that you're going to use for integrating with Supabase in n8n. And then in API keys, you will see your service role secret that you can reveal it and use it in n8n. If I go to n8n, this is one of the workflow example that we have that has some node of n8n Supabase. If I click on this and if I type Supabase and I click on that, it shows me multiple actions. You can choose if you want to insert the data, create a row. If you want to delete the data, delete a row. You want to select all data, if you're going to use and get many rows and so on. So you can use different actions when integrating with Supabase. Once I click on that, you can set your credentials. If I click on it here, this is the URL that I mentioned, and then service role secret that you can add here and connect with Supabase. Once you get connected, it will fetch all the tables here, and you can choose the right table for your integration. And then here you can map the input with the table columns and basically insert them to the database. Hope you found this video helpful on how to integrate your workflow with Supabase. If you want to learn how to integrate with various tools like Apify, Lemlist, Discord, Google Search, and more, you can join Agentic Lab, a community that I help everyone to learn about workflow automation in no-code tools. You can find the link below in the description and join the Agentic Lab, where we learn together not only how to integrate with various tools, but also build complex workflows in n8n. Hope to see you there. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to not miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching.